Welcome back to the Real Estate Investing Guide, Pre-Offer Due Diligence series. We're glad you're here. Without further delay, let's get into Chapter 4. Check public records. Depending on which state you live in, some things may not be required to be disclosed, but they might be able to be found in a public record search conducted either online, in local libraries or other public information centers such as county or city courthouses or zoning departments. Does the property have any hazard potential or history? Buyers should consider looking into the following: lead plumbing, methamphetamine production, radon gas, formaldehyde insulation or other chemical foam insulation, lead-based paint, flood zone, previous toxic spillage, previous landfill site, previous fuel storage history, previous mining history, earthquake history, underground pits or ground stability. Are there any neighborhood nuisances? Noise, odor, smoke, airports, military posts, prisons. Did anyone die in the property, or does it have a negative history? In some states, sellers are not required to disclose a death if it occurred via suicide, accidental death, paranormal activity. It should be noted that natural death is not required to be disclosed in any state. The sellers would only have to disclose if a death occurred within their time of ownership. Previous deaths or suicides or past histories of paranormal activity from other previous owners would not be required to be disclosed in most states. You should be checking your own state laws or working with a lawyer who can help with this. Searching public records from multiple sources would be the best way to ensure a buyer is not missing anything from previous owners. That's it for Chapter 4, Check Public Records. Join us in our next video, Chapter 5, Conduct a Personal Physical Showing. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Be sure to contact us for any of your Twin Cities real estate needs. We'd love the chance to show you why we have so many happy clients. We offer free initial consultations to see how we can better assist you. LakerRealEstate.com, Minneapolis Property Management.io, 763-645-4617.